Best softeners reviews. While the world of mechanical keyboards is booming among gamers and typists for its tactile feedback and precision, homeowners are also prioritizing essential upgrades like water softeners to combat hard water problems. The demand for whole-house systems is rising as more families aim to improve appliance longevity, skin health, plumbing, and water quality. This guide evaluates the grain capacity. List 1. Aquasure Harmony Series 72,000 grains Whole House Water Softener. High Efficiency Digital Meter. The Aquasure Harmony Series 72,000 grain model is a high-performance whole house water softener designed for large households or those with high water usage. Its digital metered control head intelligently tracks water consumption and optimizes regeneration cycles for maximum efficiency. The system effectively removes hard minerals like calcium and magnesium, preventing scale buildup in pipes, fixtures, and appliances. With a powerful 21 GPM flow rate and fine mesh resin, it ensures consistent soft water even during peak usage. List number 64,000. Grain Aquasure Harmony Whole House Water Softener. Reduces hardness and minerals. Perfect for medium to large households. The 64,000 grain Aquasure Harmony model offers an excellent balance of capacity and efficiency. Like its larger counterpart, it uses a high-efficiency metered control head to minimize salt and water waste during regeneration. It's effective at removing calcium, magnesium, and sediment, and the soft water it produces helps extend the life of plumbing water heaters. List number Kenmore 350 Water Softener with High Flow Valve. Reduce hardness minerals. The Kenmore 350 is a trusted name in home appliances and delivers well in the water softening space too. With a softening capacity of 32,000 grains, it's best suited for small to medium households. Its high-flow valve design ensures steady water pressure throughout the home, even when multiple faucets are in use. The built-in salt monitor and smart regeneration cycle make it user-friendly and efficient. List number Aquasure Harmony Series 48,000 grains Whole House Water Softener. The Aquasure Harmony 48,000 grain model is a great choice for mid-size households needing a blend of performance and affordability. It features a digital metered control head that automatically adjusts regeneration cycles based on usage, helping to conserve salt and water. The premium-grade resin effectively removes hardness minerals, protecting your home from scale buildup and extending the life of appliances. List number 5. A.O. Smith Whole House Salt-Free Descaler System. 6 years, 600,000 gallons. If you're looking for a salt-free alternative, the A.O. Smith Descaler system is a low-maintenance, eco-friendly solution. Rather than removing hard minerals, this unit conditions water to prevent scale buildup using a salt-free process. Ideal for homes that want to avoid the hassle of salt refills or wastewater discharge. It's rated to treat 600,000 gallons of water or up to 6 years, making it perfect for city or well water systems. This descaler works quietly and doesn't require electricity or drainage.